There's a dryer wheel squeak. Get all this dust and stuff in it, so vacuum it down, make the shop a lot cleaner. Go ahead, hit the inside. See all that burner assembly, right? So that's why your stores and your home stays dusty because of all the dust accumulation from a dryer. Dryer is the biggest culprit. There's the high limit switch right there coming off the pipe in case there's a fire. Motor pushes around the drum. This is where your flame takes place. There's that drum wheel up there with that lint all around the wheel and the bearing. All of them are like that. It makes it go squeak, squeak, squeak. Right, so we'll get that guy vacuumed up and lubed up before we change any wheels. 11-year-old Whirlpool, still a good unit. Just a mouse squeak. Willie's Heating and Cooling, and I also do appliance repair.